Hello, baby birds. You're not gonna talk to us? You're hiding? All right. Well, I don't know if you could tell it or not, but this is my potatoes, and I'm gonna try to get them dug today. The grass is kind of taking over. I kind of got behind on my chores around here, but we're gonna get them dug today. And take a look at this. I got sweet potatoes planted. Looks like they're coming up and doing good. I just planted them in five little rows of them. Tomatoes finally starting to bloom. Got a few little tomatoes on there. Jalapenos. Haven't picked any yet, but they're ready to pick. Got my banana peppers are looking good. Need to come pick those sometime today. These are Tabasco peppers. We got a few little ones on there popping out. Cucumbers are doing good. Yep, got one that needs picking. Got to dig around, there's another one. But they're looking good. So I'm gonna get started. I think I'm gonna weed eat this grass down before I take the middle buster and bust the rows open. It might help me out a little bit on being able to get to the potatoes. Well, it's potato digging time. I came through with the middle buster. It didn't do too good a job on this row. This is what we got so far. 4 more rows, 4.5 more rows to go. And it's hot. Tex is hiding out under the trailer. Hello, Tex. 2 rows left, and this is what we've got so far. It's hot in southwest Louisiana.